In this video we will see how can we create a table in Excel in the easiest method and with a lot of features just on our fingertips. Okay, so here I have a table of employees, their card ID, on which team they are on, and either they are on contract basis or the permanent basis. Okay, so what we have to do, we just have to select this data, click on insert tab, and then click on tables tab. So when we have selected this, the Excel will automatically select the data. If we have headers in our table, what do we mean by headers? These are our headers. Alright, if we have headers in our teams, we can select this, and if we don't, we can uncheck this box. Okay, so if you don't know, like if you don't know how to select it, you can also close it like this, then click on the tables tab again, and you can see I haven't selected the data. But what can I do? Then click on from start and then drag till end, and as I have headers in my table, I will select my table has headers and press OK. You see, just by pressing this, we have a very beautiful design of a table. Here we have options of filtering data. Okay, we can filter by text or begins with, ends with, contains, like these are all the filters. Okay. Same with car team. For example, on the team, I just want to see the employees of my admin team. I'll click OK, and here is it's Muzammil and it is on permanent basis. Now I want to see of the server team. I'll press OK. Here we have Tahir and Ruslan. Okay, so now let's say I want to see my data on the basis of the contract or permanent. I'll click on contract, like Alishba, Noor and Usama on contract basis, and all the other people are on permanent basis. Okay, so now to see more options, I'll click on the table on any cell or on the tables any cell, and then on top we can see an option table design. I'll click on table design, and here we have all the options for the table. We can rename the table, resize the table, or we can summarize it within a pivot table. If there are any duplicates, we can remove duplicates, insert slicer, and like here we have like total rows. We can see now here it's permanent and the total is 6. Alright, branded rows means like we have this color white and blue. Last column, we can when I clicked on the last column, you can see it's bold. Alright, if you click on the first column, you can see it's bold. Branded columns, we can see now that in the columns tab we have like blue and white. Okay, so if we want to remove the filter button, we can remove from here, and if we want to see more colored options or more designs, we can select from here. We have all these table designs right at our fingertips. For example, I'll select this one. You can select any color which you want. I want to rename this table to employees table. If I click on the remove duplicate, yes, no, there aren't any. Okay, let's see what the slicer does. Okay, I'm gonna add a slicer at contract or permanent. Here we have like, look at this. By clicking, we can now check permanent or contract. Let's add another slicer. Okay, insert slicer now on T. Alright, here we have the T. Okay, now I want to see the development, permanent or contract. There is no contracted persons in the employees table for development team. Alright, admin, permanent server, permanent video design. There is no permanent for video design. Either is it contracted? Yes, no is on contract basis. Okay, so guys, this is what we can. How can we create the table of our data in Excel like in our fingertips? If you like my video, you can subscribe and press the bell icon. Please do support me by subscribing.